Prepare to be transported back to ancient Greece, where a mysterious artifact defies the sands of time. Today, we embark on a mystical journey to unravel the secrets of the Antikythera mechanism, an unparalleled marvel that has left historians and scientists alike in awe. In just over a minute, join us in exploring the captivating history of the Antikythera mechanism. Discovered off the coast of Antikythera Island, this ancient device challenges our understanding of ancient Greek technology. With intricate gears and a level of sophistication unheard of in its time, the mechanism is often dubbed as the world's first computer. Discover how this enigmatic device was used to track celestial movements, predict astronomical events, and potentially even serve as a navigational instrument. As we decode the mysteries of the Antikythera mechanism, we uncover a piece of history that transcends the boundaries of time. The Antikythera mechanism, a testament to the ingenuity of our ancestors or a relic with ties to celestial realms. If this journey through the ages has left you fascinated, make sure to like and subscribe. Our channel is your gateway to more enthralling history lessons, where the past comes alive in ways you've never imagined.